What's up, peeps? The face, a face, a face. So yeah, we're gonna be building this Toasty or PCBros custom, or sorry, staple build. This is one of our main staples you can buy on our website. Very easy to build. We're just gonna do a really easy, chill build today. So yeah, I guess we'll get started then, and then we can talk with you all. So yeah, this is also for a customer, so we're kind of knocking two birds with one stone. It's got this like cool tint to it too. Tyler's already going at it. He's like, I do this every day, all day. Look at this dude. The cable management looks so good.
Now you know, if you order a PC and it looks like this, then I'm the one that did it.
And if it looks better, then it was me.
Nice.
It works.
Well, we did it, guys.
PCBros PC.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh, so they make...
Yeah, they have other merch.
Free this time.
You put those in there, so we don't forget them.
Is that a DNR bracelet?
With the, yeah, just with it.
Should I be a DNR?
Oh my God. You okay?
Here, it's your turn.
What? Okay. What did you do? Oh my God. Are you okay?
No, I'm nervous.
Oh no.
Oh my God.
No.
Y'all, I'm such an idiot.
She tried to put on the cooler and there's no CPU in there.
Oh no.
Oh no.
And y'all just watching me do it.
That's crazy.
Nobody.
It's Caleb.
What up, dude?
Good morning, good morning.
It wasn't a DM. Learn to read, Kentucky boy. Wow, Pinky Tech's roasting me. Yeah,
We're
all
down
of
here
us.
in Kentucky. You know,
Hell yeah.
we ride horses to work. partner.
Yeah.
Y'all gotta appreciate what he's doing right now. It looks like Spaghetti Junction, but
Oh yeah, I mean,
this is all a part of the process right now. This guy, he is truly the best cable manager in the building. It doesn't get any better.
That's what I do.
It's a process.
Where's your
power supply
guitar? Come on.
cables.
I was hired solely
This is Jake.
for this.
It's true.
He's the front desk guy.
This man's not lying. Yeah, this is our tall, handsome man, Jake. He's plays his guitar anytime anyone comes inside.
He's
and
first line of defense, yeah.
He's got the highest sales.
There's one thing we're good at doing in Kentucky, it's plucking those strings.
We're
boy.
good at playing guitars and managing cables with hardware and mechanical items.
After I tend to my farm, I pluck those strings.
Yeah. We gotta get the hold on. This
guitar shot.
this cannot be real right now.
Clamshell pick.
Clamshell pick.
Play Freebird, play Freebird.
Listen to that.
Yeah.
Crazy. Well done, Jake.
What are you saying?
This is what it feels like to get a new PC from PCBros. You weren't supposed to stop. Yeah, you weren't supposed to stop. Yes. Shout out to the cable guy. This guy's name is Tyler. He is the best in the building. I'm not kidding. When it comes to cable management. Goodness gracious. This is a human Rubik's Cube solver.
Living like Larry.
Yeah. Oh my God. Look at that. Yes. Perfect.
Oh, look at that.
Check out the tuxedo that we
Yin
have going
yang,
on here. We
yeah.
have the yin and yang, the classic tuxedo. Look at this. Make your choice. Do you want the classy white, the classy black? It's all up to you and how you're feeling.
Oh,
I personally opt in for the dark one myself, but I know people love these white builds. It's people can't get enough of the ice.
Show the RAM off. Give a RAM
Look at
shot.
that RAM.
Yeah.
Can't get any better. Oh, do we have a second power cord?
I wish.
Yes, we do.
Oh, hell yeah.
Come on now. Let's get this thing going. Let's get this thing going. If you need one, yeah. Look at that. Wait for that RAM to kick on. Perfect. I mean, it doesn't get any better, guys. You want the white, you want the black, you get the Toasty Bros discounts, you get the Pinky Tech discounts. Hold on. Look at that. Hold on. He's going.
Oh my God, look at the
Oh
flow.
my goodness. Hold on. We need to get some music playing, Jake. We need to. Yeah, he's
You have
got
to do one of those.
He's got the Rockstar Twitch. Let's not get too excited now.
Yeah.
I've been really trying, baby.
That's right.
Cool.
Look at
But
that.
we got to go ship these out.
Yeah, these are real orders. These are going to real people.
We got to get back to our normal lives
We're
here.
getting back to work. Productivity resumes.
All right, who's gonna stop
You want to end the
Yeah, how do
stream?
you stop this?
Let it run all day.
Thanks for watching, chat.
Good. Thanks for joining us. Have a great day.
Happy Pie Day.
Happy Pie Day.
Maybe we'll get pizza. Hopefully.
Get to work, you losers. I know. We're on the way. We're on the way.